Hey my busy bees, welcome back to another episode of Pieces of Comfort. Okay, I know this just came out of nowhere, but I had a few things that I wanted to show you guys. These are all of my hooks. I don't know if you can see it that well because of the way I have the camera angled, but these are all of my hooks that I love. They have the rubber grip. You know, if you have arthritis in your hands or hands get sore from a lot of crocheting, you know, these have a nice grip, is soft, is cushiony. I like them more than just the metal hooks. Each hook does, I don't know if you guys can see, have the number. Every hook is different. Now, yesterday I used this hook. This is my favorite hook. My sister gave me this one. Like this, I mean, almost all of my blankets were made with this hook. Just showing you guys things that you need when you do crochet. These are the pins. So when you're making different type of blankets and patterns, you can always like measure out where you started. So when you get to the next row, you can pick back up. Also, measuring tape. You can get it from anywhere. It doesn't have to be anything special, like you have to go to a hobby store. You can get a measuring tape from Walmart. You order it offline. You will need scissors. These, look, sister gave me these. These are so cute. I love these. Now, this is something that I have been trying to pick up because I can't get it. I know it does look crazy, doesn't it? The knitting needles. It's like I can't get it, but I will get it. All these different little techniques, we can easily get these. It's just nothing. It's nothing hard to get. It's just putting your mind and your fingers all together and getting it. Like, it can be done. Trust me. If I can pick up crocheting and I'm terrible at mind thing, I can't do two things at one time. Walk and chew gum. I'm a trip. This right here, this is so adorable. Look, it glows in the dark. Like, let's say you're somewhere crocheting, traveling. It's a traveling case, and it's a little dim. The color that you're using is a little dark. Wham! Look how it lights it up. You can easily see what you're doing. It comes with the USB cord. It comes with pins, other size needles, other size hooks, I mean. So that's dope to have. All right, so we're gonna pick up where we left off yesterday. Okay, let me get my favorite needle. Bam. Yesterday we were learning the knot. Okay, so we're going to do that all over again, the knot and the chain, and I'm going to teach you how to do a double crochet. You guys are ready? So remember yesterday that I said take your work and fold it in half. Hold on, just 1 second.